Uh-oh, we got a little McLaren in front of us. Should I get dusted by the McLaren? Oh, and I got a Camaro behind me. Like, oh shit. Let's see what this thing could do. I'm gonna get my first race in already, or what? People already out here testing me. Yo, this thing, I like this. I like this. So I literally been at like no more than 20 to 30 miles per hour for the last hour. It kind of sucks, you know. I just got this car and I'm trying to go crazy with it a little bit, you know, test it out, but there's so much traffic over here in the Bay Area. What's up with you guys, man? So I haven't really been able to test it out too much, but I'm liking it. I didn't know like it had the, when you stop and you're in neutral, it'll turn off like when you're stopped, which I don't know how I feel about that yet, you know what I'm saying. In the past I haven't liked it, but I'm gonna look more into it and see how it is for the health of the vehicle, because I don't know, something about it is like stopping the engine, turning it back on, it just doesn't seem like it would be healthy for the engine. But I don't know, I guess it saves gas, so I'm gonna look more into that. Obviously the heads up display is sick. I'm just messing with all the features. We got the Apple CarPlay, the Harman Kardon sound system. I'm gonna do a full review on this car, you know, and just talk more about everything. But right now I'm just enjoying it, man. I got my seat set. We got a whole lot of content, man. Let's see if I could get some open road so we could get some type of action for you guys. Like I said, this thing is like all stock, so you know, it doesn't sound as good as it potentially can, but this thing sounds good nonetheless. You know what I'm saying? I'm hearing the turbos here and there when I step on the gas, you know, and let off of it. So I could only imagine once I start messing with the exhaust on this thing, how it's gonna sound. Uh-oh, we got a little McLaren in front of us. Should I get dusted by the McLaren? Oh, and I got a Camaro behind me. We got a Camaro and we got a McLaren. Let's see what we could do. Unfortunately, there's just way too much traffic to have any sort of fun. Alright, here we go. have it, let me put it in M mode. You have M1 and M2 and you could customize it however you want. And I got this one in like, oh shit. God damn, bro. I'm already about to f up my damn wheels and shit, bro. Jesus. That shit did not sound good. Hopefully I did not put a dent in the wheel already. God damn. That wasn't even M mode. Okay. Okay. That's stock. So I've checked the tire to the best of my ability. I believe it was this one over here if I'm not mistaken. I don't see any sort of like bends in the tire or anything like that. Any sort of dents in it. I probably will just go somewhere and have it checked out a little more thoroughly. But it seems to be driving okay, you know. Thankfully, because that did not sound good. You guys heard it in the video. And videos sound usually don't do what you hear in real life justice. Like, it was loud, you know what I'm saying? And like, I felt it. It felt like I went in a freaking 6-foot deep hole, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was a pretty deep dip on the freeway going obviously the speed limit, but going a good amount of speed, you know? So that kind of scared me, you know what I'm saying? I literally just got the car. That was my first time officially driving it as my own, and that happened. So yeah, not the best experience, but like I said, I mean, it's been driving good. The alignment doesn't seem like it's off or anything, so I think we're good. That is gonna do it for this video though, guys. If you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Salute.